Wellspring Trading is a company that was formed by two friends with over 30 years of massage therapy and massage therapy educational background. And it was through our experience that we were able to determine what the students and professionals are looking for in their products, and we're working to meet their needs. We formed Wellspring Trading in February of 2008, right before the economic downturn. But fortunately, our customers recognize the quality of our products, and they've been recommending them to their friends and have been returning to us themselves. Wellspring Trading is committed to offering the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. We also offer products that are environmentally friendly. We want our customers to be very happy with them. We also donate a portion of our proceeds to worthy charities. Wellspring Trading has its own line of Wellspring Ecologics 100% natural oils. Some of them range from our very popular organic golden jojoba, fractionated coconut oil, and grapeseed oil, to our blended oils, which would be good for Swedish massage or deep tissue massage, depending on the modalities. We really wanted to offer products that were environmentally friendly, good for the earth. And in researching the massage oils, we really looked for companies that took great care in their processing. We didn't want to go with companies that chemically processed or added anything to their oils. And we found companies that really took great care in that. We offer portable massage tables and chairs, as well as stationary massage tables and chairs, and the accessories that go with them. We are continually adding to our product line as we find products that complement our vision. When someone buys from Wellspring Trading, they know that they are getting the highest quality products available on the market, coupled with excellent customer service to go with it. Most of our products ship for $2.95 flat rate, or they ship for free. Any calls that we get with questions regarding our products, we're happy to answer. When a customer orders from Wellspring Trading, they know that they are getting the highest quality product on the market. The best way to get a hold of us is through our website at wellspringtrading.com or email us at info@wellspringtrading.com.